rastyaжкой. Welcome to my yoga channel. This home workout is perfect for anyone looking to start the day off with peaceful and invigorating yoga practice. So grab your yoga mat, press play and let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content. I love home workouts and sports. These things are best for the mind, body and soul. And I want to be a part of the awesome YouTube family to give viewers great workout tips. Your support will help me achieve my channel's goals of creating more video content that will motivate people to exercise and live a healthy lifestyle, improve production quality, and develop a variety of useful and educational YouTube content for you. I want to show my everyday working out routine. I love training at home and do it every day. This is a useful weekend block, spending time well balanced sequence. The main condition for a successful shavasana is that the position should be comfortable, such that you don't want to change it through the hold.